Hi, here's John on his first test drive of it. We don't know whether the 36 Chinese controller is actually going to be faster. So go ahead, give her. Well, he had to slow down to make that turn, so I'm going to go with the idea it's faster. Keep your foot on it, or otherwise you might bind your ankle.
Yep.
Is that again the turning problem?
It's not like this, like it was originally. So like me saying like this, when I turn, I gotta go like this.
So at this point, we need steering upgrades?
Yeah.
Okay, well go take it for a run around and let's see what you can do with it. Try over on the rocks where that was a problem before.
Yep.
Hi, John. So, what do you think? Was it worth $120 worth of investment or so?
I think it is because we were dying on the batteries originally, so I think when it's fully charged, it's going to go way much more faster.
And we need what also?
A better steering capability is when I sit on it, it's not steering like this. I got it to go like this and it's on my whole entire body.
Yep. And we also need new batteries.
Yes.
So where can people find all this stuff?
Down in the description.
There'll be links below.
Yep.
Alright, so everything that we did today, I'll have links down below in the description. The big thing that has made a big difference is this. It's a throttle with battery gauge with ignition switch all in one. And it just hooks right directly up to these Chinese controllers, which makes wiring this thing so much faster. There's no questions, you just punch it in and go. So this is wired exactly the same as the last one was. It just needed an extra battery. And these batteries are old. These, I think he's been running in Power Wheels for almost 2.5, 3 years now. And this one here is ancient. I don't even know how old this battery is. So all of these need to be replaced. They're all just testing batteries at this point. I'm going to spend the 65 bucks in order to go and buy 3 Mighty Maxes. I'll make sure that information is in the description also. As it is right now, I think this thing definitely is faster on 36 volts, but we really won't know till we have appropriate batteries. These definitely made a giant difference in being able to get traction on these. And I also was very interested in these because of the drag racer build over on RCG Racing. That runs this size tire, only it's a dolly tire on there. And I wanted to see whether these would get traction enough that I might do them as front tires on my dragster, where it's on the dirt. And I think this might be something we do. So that's where we're at with this build. I hope you liked the ghetto mud flap. That was so that John wouldn't get shot in the face with stuff, because now that it's faster, it definitely pegs things back at you. And what do you think, John? Good project?
Yes.
And what is that in your hand?
An alien face hugger.
It's an alien face hugger.
I made it yesterday.
So what are you going to do? Put that on a mask?
Thinking?
Oh. That way you can have it as your face hugger COVID destroyer?
Yeah.
Okay. Ella says you need to pet her. Alright guys, well with that, we're going to set this thing back inside so that we can go and work on it some more when we get some batteries in the charger. And we'll go from there.